Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you one of my favorite recipe and one of my favorite from the menu of Max's, sizzling tofu. For the ingredients, you will need spring onion, chilies, white onions, red and green bell pepper or any color of your choice, fried tofu, and of course some seasonings. Don't worry, I will be putting down all the ingredients on the description box below. First, we need to pat dry the tofu, as what I have mentioned on my previous video on how I make a crispy tofu. Of course, link will be down below so you can watch it later. Yun na nga, like what I have mentioned on that video, that tofu soaks up all the water. Not man all the water, kasi diba nakababad siya sa water pag binili natin siya. So, nasusoak niya most of the water. So, we need to make sure that our tofu is dry before frying it to make it crispy. Now, we need to cut it. Wag naman yung sobrang nipis guys na nakakaawa na yung tofu. So, we need to slice it into cubes. Yung sa size ng ginawa ko is like 1 by 1 inch. Since ang tofu is the star of this menu, kailangan syempre malalaki siya. Hindi naman tayo gagawa ng pang-arroz caldo lang or something, diba? Next, we have to put the tofu in a bowl and put some cornstarch. Cornstarch, yung first layer niya, itotoss natin siya. Yan yung parang mag-absorb nung water. And then, yung second layer, yan yung tutulong for crispiness. And then, the usual, season it with salt and pepper. And then, itoss lang natin siya for equal distribution. If yung tofu, nakikita nyo hindi pa rin covered ng cornstarch, dagdagan nyo lang. And then, toss nyo lang ng itoss. But carefully ha. And now we will proceed with the mayonnaise mix. So, I'm using a light mayo para kunyari healthy. So, mga 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise lang. Depende sa quantity ng tofu na ginagawa ninyo. But for this one, it's only 3 tablespoons. Of course, we need to season the mayonnaise. We will season it with salt, freshly ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, or syempre, depende yon sa panlasa nyo. If you want it more maalat, ganyan, i-adjust nyo na lang siya. But what I'm giving you is the basic or the base ng sauce. And then, we'll add a little soy sauce and of course, liquid seasoning. For this one, medyo onti lang muna ilalagay natin kasi later, once na nazizzle na yung tofu, maglalagay pa rin tayo ng liquid seasoning. And then, a few spray of fresh lemon. Meron kasi akong nabili na ganito for fresh lemon para hindi ka na nagkakat. Nasasayang kasi, diba? Yung pang spray na yan, ang cute lang. Ipapasok mo lang siya sa tip ng lemon, tapos spray, fresh lemon. Maganda yan for salad. Yan. Sorry, I just really had to use it kasi ang tagal na yan sa akin and kailangan talagang hanapan ng exposure. Charot! And then, imimix lang natin together yung mayonnaise. Now, we proceed with the hardest part sa process ng pagluluto ng sizzling tofu, ang pag-fry ng tofu. So, good luck sa mga talsek-talsek. You might ask, bakit kailangan kinubes kanina, diba, yung pag-cut bago iprito? Bakit hindi na lang i-fry kanina nung nakaslice pa lang siya ng malalapad? Well, that's the reason. We want it crispy, para at least crispy yung all sides ng tofu. Now, on the same pan, i-transfer lang natin yung fried tofu and then we will be using the same pan. Igigisa na natin yung onion and bell peppers and chilies, ganyan. But at the same time, yung seasoning plate, sa start na natin siyang initin. At this point talaga, sobrang excited na ako kasi favorite ko talaga ang tofu and tofu is healthy. And pagka translucent na yung onion, idadagdag na natin yung bell pepper. O, diba ang cute ng color? Very Christmassy. Just in time kasi Burr months na. Alam mo naman tayong mga Pilipino. Pasko na yan. It's Christmas season. So, ayun na nga, igigisa-gisa lang natin siya. We'll just have to wait na medyo lumambot na yung capsicum or bell peppers. So, halo-halo lang, ganyan. And then, kapag malapit na siyang maluto, we can add the spring onion and the chilies. So, yung amount ng chilies, depende pa rin syempre sa intensity ng anghang na gusto nyo. But for me kasi, ayoko lang masyadong maanghang for sizzling tofu. Only because ayokong ma-overpower yung tofu. And now, we will add in the star of this menu, the fried tofu. So, ganun ulit. Halo-halo lang para well combined yung tofu and yung vegetables. I hope you guys can comment down below kung ano ang favorite tofu recipe ninyo. And also pala, kakapalan ko na yung mukha ko. Please, yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, I'm halfway to 1,000 subscribers. Pasayahin nyo naman ang Pasko ko. Charot! Now I added a bit of Worcestershire and liquid seasoning. Like what I always tell you sa mga videos ko, we always have to layer the flavor. Kaya kanina sa mayonnaise mixture natin, hindi pa masyadong overwhelming yung flavor. And then we are building it up, you know. And then now, imimix na natin yung mayonnaise mixture. So again, halo-halo lang. Mix-mix lang. Ganyan. Para happy together sila. Parang kumbaga si Sarah G merong ikot-ikot lang. Sa atin naman, halo-halo lang. Ano ba yun? Maipasak lang. So, ayun na nga. We just really have to make sure na well-coated lahat yung tofu natin. Guys, reminder lang ha, while we are doing this, huwag masyadong ma-excite. Kailangan ang focus din natin nasa sizzling plate. Ayaw natin na sunog ang sizzling plate. So, medyo hininaan ko lang ng konti kanina yung temperature nung kalan. O, diba guys, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng color niya. Red, green, white. Ang lakas talaga maka-Christmas season. Ano ba yan? So, ngayon, feeling ko naman, well-coated na lahat yung tofu. It's time for us to transfer it sa ating sizzling plate. At this stage, guys, please be extra careful dahil alam mo naman, sizzling plate, medyo delikado tayo dyan. So, kapag sobrang init na nga nung sizzling plate natin, the first thing we need to do is put butter on it. And then, spread lang natin yung butter doon sa buong surface. At this point, yan yung sound na gusto natin. So, hindi talaga ako nagsalita para marinig nyo yung pag-sizzle. O, diba? Ang bongga. So, ayun na. Ita-transfer na natin yung ginawa natin kanina sa isang pan. Ita-transfer na natin siya sa sizzling plate. And hahaluin lang ng konti. And be careful kasi ako, ang OA ko, talagang pinuno ko siya. At may isa pang nahulog. Sayang. Kaya, don't be like me. Konti lang ang ating ilagay. Masyado kasi ako na-excite, guys. But anyway, okay lang din naman kung madami. It's okay. Ingat lang. And then, we'll just add a little liquid seasoning and spray some lemon. And then, that's it. You now have a sizzling tofu a la Maxis. O, diba? Ang sarap. Pagpasensyahan na ang ingay sa background, mga excited na po ang mga actual viewers ko. Charot. I mean, yung mga live viewers and yung mga tasters, ganyan. Excited na. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will really appreciate kung makakapag-comment kayo below kung ano yung mga next recipes na gusto nyong i-share ko. Ayan na ang ating sizzling tofu at ako'y kakain na habang nagsisizzle pa siya. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!